Hello again. So I'm doing another dragon today, and I have received this beautiful chameleon powders pigments from Cheercolor, and I use one of them. They are really beautiful, very sparkly. So I can't decide. So last one I did the green one, dragon. So this time I'll probably go this yellow one and see how it goes. Get my brush out and open this bag. They're just like a sample pigments they send it to me to try. I bet it will look nice because I can see all the sparkle already. I used a different brush to go in that place. And obviously I'm going to use the black resin. That's enough. Just going to close this. Yeah, it has color properly. Well, as usually can see, I had added. You don't need too much when you brush it. You don't need too much. Okay, and then I'll mix the resin, and I use I pour it. So I have mixed the resin. I'm using Jediction resin, and I just separated in this cup because I've mixed in something else, and I'm going to add adding some black pigment paste. So let's go. I think that is more than enough. And then going to mix it. So it's mixed properly. Then I am adding to my dragon So I need a little bit this side. And that's enough. And just going to push this way because I can see it's not properly gone there. Same here. Yeah, that looks okay. Now I'm letting it dry and I demold them tomorrow. So this one, next day it's dry, and all I'm doing, taking off from the mold and see how it looks. The Chameleon powder at the back. Okay, see, it has turned it into a little bit green color. The color I use is like green and yellow, and it looks beautiful, to be honest. It's beautiful. I'll use the different colors next time and see how they go. But I'm pretty sure if you use the black, it gives you more tint of the one-sided color, and if you use the white, it gives you the other side. So for example, this one is the kind of yellow and greenish. As you can see, it's green here. So when you use the black, it turns to green, and when you use white or clear, it's probably more like yellowish, sparkly color. I'll stick them together, and then I'll put in an egg. So I'm just sticking this baby dragon again. It's doing the same way what I normally do with my dragon. So putting some resin, just use as a glue, so they can glue together. I'm just being very careful not touching my hand, the one I haven't got gloves on. Got enough glue, enough resin there. And we'll use the rubber band again, because I think it works well with the rubber band. So that's it, and then put this on the top of it, this one. Push it down, and got rubber band. Put the rubber band first, and then I move it. Yeah. Okay, that looks okay. So stick will stick like what the other one done. So I just leave it and let it dry. Just see it's both side. So now I'm going to pour resin. It has been mixed, so it's time to pour in, and it has set for like couple of well, and it has set for around 15-20 minutes because I'm using the pressure pot, so I'm not worried about too much bubbles what I got right now. So let's pour in. This time I'm going to pour all the way up. The last one I did it, which wasn't all the way up, but this time I want to pour full egg. So that was just a trial. Okay, so I'm going to wait another 15 minutes and then I'll put my baby dragon in. So it has been like 20 minutes now, so I'm going to put the dragon into the mold. So I'm just holding my dragon like that, this, and I'm going to drop it on a sideway. I want sideways instead of up, because I know I'm going to knock it when I put in a, well, let me just try. It is standing right now. I'm hoping it stays this way, but the thing is, because I have to put in a pressure pot, so it has no, I have to be very careful not to knock it. The resin is thicker now, so after half an hour, once you mix your resin, it's alright to put your dragon in, and it stays straight as long as you don't touch it or you don't move your mold. Mine will probably won't stay same way because I need to move now into my pressure pot. I have put in the pressure pot with a couple of my bits what I'm doing with it. It is straight, but I'm just worried when I close the pressure pot and put the pressure in, it might get knocked. But we see how it goes. It's touching the wall, so may stay still, or I don't know, but I do want to go in the middle, so I'm not sure it's going to stay like this, but we see. So it is in a pressure pot for 12 hours now, so I'm going to get it out. Well, not 12 hours, I actually did it in the afternoon and it's the morning right now. You can see it's around 50 psi, just tiny bit dropped, but yeah, it's around 50 psi. I'll get it out now. Let's see the air is coming out. So here I am demolding this, and as I was imagining, I knocked it, so it's gone on the side. I did want to have in the middle, but never mind. You can see how crystal clear it is. I think this egg mold is quite bigger for this size. I might have to look if I can find a smaller one. I can see how beautiful. It's still not bad, the clarity of the resin in an egg. So I'm not very disappointed. Just the only thing, I wanted this in a mirror, the baby dragon in the middle, which is gone on the side completely. I need to find a way to fill up my pressure when in pressure pot, not to knock it, but it always happens because when I try to do it, I always touch it and it slightly get knocked, but other than that, it's beautiful. It's quite this one can be used as the paperweight, or it can go use as a light underneath. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.